Yeah, just stop it whenever.
Okay, here I am in front of Freddie Hill, the home of calcium. Calcium, but technically it's called cal. This is the main source of calcium, I guess you could say, if you want to get milk. I don't know if you can get a shot of where the calcium comes from. Is there any way you could, camera person? It's getting up. Maybe you can lower down and get the shot.
It was urinating.
It's urinating, but this is where the calcium comes from. It's a baby, but that is where it comes from. Okay.
Wait.
Don't be fooled by the imitations. These aren't cows. Okay?
So you're saying this is not a cow?
That is not a cow, so don't be fooled by the imitations. Hi there. Over here we have a worker from the calcium store, as we call it, and he is a professional with milk. He knows a lot about milk and calcium, I must add. What do you think? What is calcium?
Calcium is very good for you, and it improves your bones and your teeth, and it makes your body.
After my game of Parcheesi, I like to come out here and do my yard work. And I look for calcium a lot, and I found that calcium carbonate is the most abundant mineral in the soil, one of the most abundant minerals in the soil. And this is mainly known, this compound is mainly known as limestone and marble. It's in this dirt, by the way. John, okay?
Ray, don't you want some milk?
I don't like milk. I love my Pepsi. Oh!
Ray, wait up for me! I love that milk. It's a big stairwell. Gotta drink that milk. Where you going?
John, come back here. I think my arm's broken. John.
Oh, Ray, I told you to drink that milk. The calcium's good for your bones.
Be back after this commercial message.
When I was a freshman, all the bigger kids used to pick on me. I was a pretty small guy. Then I started drinking milk. I've been drinking milk and working out. My muscles have been getting bigger. Now I'm a senior. And I've kind of grown up a little.
Pardon me, Dad.
Milk. It does a body good. Pass it on.
I hope you learned a lot of information about calcium. For your future uses, remember, it was found in the soil, in plants, and in animals. So in the future, remember, calcium is a good thing.
Okay. That's a great fade.
That's
What do you want, Mom?
Sorry, guy. Good job. Good job.
What do you want, Mom? What? I'm just finishing up my stupid calcium project.
Oh shit! It's still recording.
Oh,